Today, we'll be learning how to remove and replace a SIM card from your smartphone. So let's get started. Before we get started, make sure that you have a phone, a flat surface to rest your phone on, and also a SIM card ejector, which should come with your SIM card and should look something like this. If you don't have a SIM card ejector, that's fine. You can also use a push pin. First, remove your phone case. If you don't have a phone case, then that's fine. Second, go ahead and locate a tiny hole on your phone. It should be near the side or at the top. Make sure that there's something next to it. It should be sort of like an imprint next to it. A small ovalish shape next to it. That should be your SIM card tray. Take your SIM card ejector or take a push pin and then put it in the tiny hole that you see over here, just like this. Once you press enough, you should see that the tray pops out a bit. Go ahead and pull the tray out. You might only have a SIM card slot in it, or you might have a micro SD and SIM card slot in it. If you're using a physical SIM card, then hopefully you should see something that looks like this. So this is our SIM card. So now you've successfully taken your old SIM card out. Since I don't have a new one, I'm just going to put this back in and I'm going to show you how. So you should notice that there's sort of a cutoff over here on the SIM card. It's not a perfect square. So right at the top over here, it's not really a perfect square. So you should match that up with where you see the same sort of cutout on your SIM card tray. It's like this. Make sure you're putting it on the right side and then slot it in. This is the right way up. If you notice that it's not fitting in, just switch your SIM card around. So now you're good. You have your new SIM card and now you can put it back into the phone just how you got it out. Okay. So now it should take a few minutes for your phone to power on and then set up the new SIM card. But that's all. Hope it was easy.